Comstock announced that its 2025 annual meeting of shareholders will be held online on May 22, 2025, via webcast in a virtual-only format. Shareholders as of the record date of March 25, 2025, can participate in the meeting and vote their shares electronically or submit questions during the meeting. The proxy statement describing matters to be voted upon will be sent to shareholders of record. Dollar General partnered with DoorDash to integrate Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP, and Electronic Benefits Transfer, EBT, payment options at its 16,000 stores via the DoorDash Marketplace platform. This expands DoorDash's network of SNAP and EBT accepting stores beyond the current 35,000 locations. Through a partnership with payments company Forage, SNAP beneficiaries can access on-demand grocery delivery from Dollar General in 48 states. The initiative means that customers using SNAP can purchase eligible products from Dollar General via the DoorDash Marketplace, including fresh foods, pantry staples, snacks, and essentials. fuboTV has agreed to stream Texas Rangers games through its sports-oriented live TV streaming platform. Additionally, FUBO has been named as a proud partner of the Texas Rangers, further cementing its position within the local sports space. The announcement means that subscribers to FUBO's English-language paid channel plans will be able to access coverage of every available Texas Rangers game, including pre- and post-game shows. Globalstar has officially opened its state-of-the-art Satellite Operations Control Center, SOCC, in Covington, Louisiana. The expansion represents a significant upgrade to Globalstar's operational capabilities. The event was attended by notable figures such as House Majority Leader Steve Scalise and FCC Chairman Brendan Carr. The SOCC will improve network performance, enhance satellite fleet management, and prepare for new satellite constellations, reinforcing Globalstar's position in global satellite communications. Adonis has partnered with Instacart to support billing for health plans offering Instacart health nutrition programs as part of Medicaid Section 1115 waivers and in lieu of services, ILOS provisions. The partnership aims to increase access to healthy foods by streamlining revenue cycle operations. Adonis will provide intelligent revenue cycle technology to help Instacart work with innovative health plans and increase accessibility to nutritious food in communities across the U.S. Instacart also recently introduced Smart Shop technology that analyzes customer habits and dietary preferences to provide more personalized grocery shopping experiences. The company also unveiled new AI-powered health tags, which provide detailed nutritional information on products and inspiration pages that offer curated lists of recommended recipes and shoppable items based on health goals. In collaboration with the American Diabetes Association, Instacart aims to simplify shopping for individuals managing chronic conditions like diabetes, while supporting those looking to make healthier food choices. For more on Instacart and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.